So these are the parts after I soaked them in regular white vinegar, and you can see all the rust that surfaced in the vinegar, and it took it down to the metal. And next you can see all the parts working. This is the hinge latch, and you can see just need to add the springs to it, but you can see it took off all the rust, like I said, off of each part, and took it down to the metal. So before it flash rust, I'm gonna spray it with the rust reformer and then let it dry, and then I'll just do a gloss protective coat of Rust-Oleum, and that's just for the small parts. So same process for larger parts also, but vinegar does work for smaller parts. If you're doing smaller parts, it works great. So just regular distilled white vinegar, let them soak, and you're good to go.